friends, in today's video, we will learn how to extend any building in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into this amazing tutorial. Duplicate your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Click on the Object Selection tool and select the building. As we don't need the bottom part, just select the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar and click on this icon to subtract the selection. Make a selection in the area which you don't want. Now press Ctrl or Command J and copy the selection to a new layer. Press Ctrl or Command T and adjust it where you want it to be placed. As you can see, the building has been extended, but there are some parts which need to be taken care of. Go to layer 1 and with any of the selection tool, select the areas that you don't want. Click Shift to add to the selection. Now select the Clone Stamp tool and press Alt or Option to sample the area and paint it over the selection. Press Ctrl or Command D to deselect it, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.